Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1, the 6GB RAM variant. So we already done the unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1. So during launch ASUS announced only two variants, the 4GB RAM and the 3GB RAM variant, but a new variant was also announced, rather not launched, announced during the initial launch of the Zenfone Max Pro M1, and this variant is a 6GB RAM variant, and now we have the 6GB RAM variant, and this will go on sale on July 25th. So this device comes with a couple of other upgrades as well. It's not just a 6GB RAM variant, it also comes with upgraded camera. So looking at the back panel, you can see that this comes with a 16 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary rear camera. So the other variant had a 13 megapixel camera, and now we have a 16 megapixel rear camera. The selfie camera has also been upgraded from 8 megapixel to 16 megapixel. So a couple of other changes as well apart from the 6GB RAM variant. So other than that, the device remains almost similar with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and stock Android, Snapdragon 636 octa-core and 5000 mAh capacity battery, 6 inches full view display. So that's the device. So let's just open the box and see if there is anything different from the other 4GB RAM variant. So you can see that this is the box pack, and you have this case included. So we have a TPU case included with the box pack, so that's the case, and we also have the SIM ejector pin. And now let's take this device out. So that's the 6GB RAM variant. So design wise, there isn't any change to the 6GB RAM variant, so only the hardware has changed, rather the cameras and the RAM variant has changed. So let's just boot this device, and we'll also see what else comes inside the box. So you get this cable, the micro USB charging cable, then you have the adapter. So this voltage rating is 5 volt 2 amperes, so no change in that. And you also get this cardboard amplifier for sound output. It's called Max box. So this is also included with this device. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device and see the camera samples. So that's the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1 with 6GB RAM. So let's just go to the settings panel and see the options. The Android version is Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. About phone, you can see the model number and the build and other details. Let's go to the storage as well. So we'll just show you the storage options as well. So there you go. We have 52GB out of the box. You can see here 52.93 is available out of the box in the storage. Now let's go to the camera. That's where we have a major difference here. So if you just go to the settings, you can see that 16 megapixel is the picture size, and in the selfie camera as well, it's a 16 megapixel. So camera interface hasn't changed much. You can see that almost a similar interface. We have the bokeh mode, the beauty mode, and you can also see there are some additional tools like the portrait mode, HDR, landscape, and other options included. So let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. So these are some of the samples we have taken with ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1, the 6GB RAM variant with upgraded cameras. So we'll also be coming up with the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. And we'll also come back with other smartphones in this price segment. Now the phone also comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for more than 2 days of battery life. That's one of the great aspects of this device. You can get almost 2 days of battery life with the ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M1, and the battery capacity is one of the largest we have seen in this price segment. So the device retails for 14,999 and will be available exclusively on Flipkart starting July 26th. And the pricing has already been announced during the launch, 14,999 pricing. So we'll be coming up with a detailed review of this device, so stay tuned for that. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.